Welcome to 444 Idaho Street, Sugar City, Idaho. Want to walk through this home. This is a neat little open porch here. See the width? I just kind of think it needs to have a nice porch swing out here. That's what it would remind you of. This is in a new development, Old Farm Estates in Sugar City. Everything here is brand new within the last couple of years, and more being built every day. So as we walk in this, you land in this home into the kind of the welcoming room. There's a family room upstairs, or I guess you could call this the family room, the living room upstairs. You've got a nice little coat closet here in the entryway. And that will go upstairs to the big open family room. I'll take you up there in just a second. So you can see there's lots of room here. I don't know, there's probably, 5.5, 6 feet there. Dining area. Again, could be a much larger table. And the cabinets, there are tons of actual cabinets as far as space and drawers. Neat little island. Okay, and just to show you the drawers, a little indication of how things work there. Really open in here, a lot of ambient light. And down the hall you have pantry here. And down the hall, directly to the left, is the laundry center. You got a folding table and an upper. Washer and dryer, of course, would sit there. And this really heavy exterior rated door to the 2-car garage. And really high ceilings in here. I would presume that you would want to put shelving up, because that ceiling is just incredibly tall. So you'd want shelving in the uppers for sure, upper space. All right, and then back into the hallway, and I'll just sort of back up so you can get a feel. So to the left is a full bath, 2 bedrooms here on the end, and I'll walk through those in just a minute. You got master bedroom here that has a full bath and walk-in closet. And this is it's a queen bed, but you can see there's just tons of space both sides. So that could either go on this wall or this wall. And just step back and pan this direction. If I step over here, you got the walk-in closet there on the left. And toilet, full tub, and sink, shower. Okay. I'll take you down to the end of the hall, and we'll walk into these back rooms. So here's bathroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. Just let you look at the closet so you can see the space savers that have been put in. Double rod. And the bedroom over here, bedroom number 3, is pretty much identical to that room as far as the layout and the space. Closet's the same. Okay, let's go upstairs. Walk back in. You can see that you come into the kitchen again. Back door. Come to the front door. And top of the stairs, nice wide staircase. You come into this large open room. You're wired there with your Ethernet plugs, either on that wall or on that wall. And then let me pan to the left. And they've got a built-in study desk. Again, with your smart plugs. Bathroom number 3. So you can be up here chilling, relaxing, and having your movie night or whatever the event might be with the family or with whomever is here. Send the kids upstairs to play, however you're operating. And this is bedroom number 4. These are really nice rooms. So I'm 6'1", and I'm standing up right now. A little built-in shelf there, and closet. These are really, really cute little kids' rooms. I just think they're awesome. So that's bedroom 4. Bedroom number 5, identical to the one that we just walked through. Same layout, same built-ins, closets. And then behind this wall is the utility, in which you have the on-demand gas water heater. A loop here for soft water if you so please. And extra paint and some storage. Little built-in shelf there. Really, really fun little place. If you have any questions or you want to come walk through this home in person, please communicate with us. Keller Williams, Realty East Idaho, the Countrywide Properties Group, 208-356-7300. Love to show you this beautiful home. Thanks for walking through the virtual tour.